Ang bahay ba natin ay considered asset o liability? Answer, pwede asset o pwede liability, friends. Depende po kung anong setup ng bahay ninyo. For example, if ang bahay ninyo ay may small business and generates income, that is considered asset, yung bahay ninyo. If walang small business like boarding house o bahay lang talaga, that is considered liability. Why? Kasi ang asset, friends, is cash inflow po yan. On the other hand, ang liability po ay cash outflow. So ano ang reference po natin dito? Ito po. Ito po yung nabasa natin kay Robert Kiyosaki. An asset puts money in your pocket. A liability takes money out of your pocket. Simple said, yun nga po, yung cash inflow, asset po yan. Yung may pampasok na income. Kung ang bahay ninyo ay may boarding house, may small business, asset po yan. On the other hand, liability, if wala pong small business, puro gastos, puro labas yung pera. Ayan po. Now we know, friends. So gawin na po nating asset ang bahay natin. Alright? Please like, share this video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless, and 2 thumbs up.